Okay, let's look at another tab, the transition tab. Transition tab. When I mention Microsoft Word and I mention Microsoft PowerPoint, the only difference between them might be in the transition, animation, and slideshow. Everything might be the same. When we are talking about transition, we are talking about the way and manner that your slide, because we have slide and we have the body of the text, which is the text box. The way you project the entire slide and the way you project your text box is what differentiates transition and animation. When we are talking about transition, we are talking about the way the slide, let me use the word page, comes into your presentation. The way your slide comes into your presentation. I don't know whether you are getting me. The way your slide comes into your presentation, your slide is supposed to come first before your text will come after. But I don't like projecting my slide differently. It's a waste of time. But you need to understand how to do such in case you are interested in projecting your slide. So if I come here, then I come, let's look at what I mean here. You get to understand it more when I put it into practice. If I want to present this thing, this is my slideshow. I can go to from the beginning. So you can see now it is only the slide that comes in. But because I did not project this particular design differently, I wanted it to come with the slide itself and this other logo. I wanted all of them to come together. I did not add any animation. That is the reason it is coming with. That is the reason it's coming with the slide as one. So if I click again, you see this is what we call transition. Yes, this is what we call transition. The way your slide comes in. So if I click again, you see it is my text that comes in after. I click again, my text comes in. This is animation. The way your text comes in is called animation. But the way you bring in your slide is what we call, the way you bring in your slide or your slide goes out, it is transition. Whereas animation is the way your text box comes in. If I click again, you see my text box is coming in. This is animation, but this particular one now is transition. So I've already said that I don't love bringing in transition into my own presentation because it ends up wasting my time. If you look at all the presentation I've been doing, you will not see this. You will not see all these effects. Maybe the slide comes in with a different effect before my so you can see this is transition. So if I'm leaving, you see it's also leaving. This is transition, but I added sound to it. So when you project stuffs like this, we call them transition. So you can see this is transition. You can bring in any kind of transition. Like now, if I click on this place, then I click on none. Okay, clock. If I click on clock, you see how it's going to be. That is how it's going to be. If you click on ripple, that is how it's going to be. If you click on honey bomb, that is how the slide will come in. And you can use anyone that you feel you love. So you can equally come here. There are many of them here. Absolutely, there are many of them here. So you can choose anyone that pleases you. I'm not the one that will tell you what to do. So any of these that you choose, this preview is when you finish doing it, you click on the preview and it will show you how it is done. So we come again, this is it. Click it here and pick any of the transition that you are comfortable with. I'm not the one that will choose it for you. Then effects, so you can equally come here and you can see it's going to bring in effects. So strip out. So these are the effects to the transition. Yes, you can see they are coming with different effects. They are coming with different effects. So I'm not going to say that it's childish anyway, but I have to show you in case you want to. If you are doing a presentation for kids, this is not for mature people. If you are doing a presentation, but sorry for that. If you are comfortable with it and you are able to use it, no problem. It's perfect. But when you are talking, something is sliding in, sliding out, some people might not like it. So this is sound. When I did the slideshow, you heard sound come in. If I come here, you hear some of them came with sound. You see it has changed now. You have heard the sound now. You can hear the sound perfectly well. You can hear the sound. So that is the effect I choose. Sound, I added sound. So when you come to transition, we are still on transition, you can see different sounds here. You can see different sounds here that you can use. So we come to duration. Duration is, if I come here, then I go to slideshow. How long do you want this effect to be? How long? So if, like now, you have seen how it projects. If I come again and come to transition, then I come and increase the time. I come and increase the time. Then I come to slideshow again. I do. Let's see what will happen. You see, it's taking longer than before. It's taking longer than before the thing will project in. So that is the duration. If you put your transition, you can say duration. Specify the length of the transition. If you come, is it this other one that I put transition here? I say preview. You see how it is taking time. It's taking time because of the duration I put here. So what if I increase this duration? If I increase this duration now, then I come and preview it. You see, it's taking longer than what I had before. So that is that for that particular place. Then you come to apply all. So if you want it to be applied to all your slide, that will be okay. So apply the current slide transition effects and timing settings to the entire presentation. That means if you want all your presentation to be coming with that transition and the timing, is left for it, so you can apply to all. So when you move to on mouse click, so this one is on mouse click. So each time I'm doing my presentation, I always do on mouse click, because I will not be able to time myself. So this one is if I'm using after this. So that means if I'm starting a presentation, the computer will be counting it for me. The computer will be counting it for me. When I'm presenting, the computer will automatically bring in another slide, even though I'm still talking. Example, if I come here, I come and I click this, I deactivate this, then I increase this, then I come to this other place, I come again, then I deactivate this, then I click on this. So automatically the slide will come in even when I'm not done with my own presentation. So if you just do it, try it. I don't want to waste your time, and you see the effect. Even when you are not clicking your mouse, the thing will come automatically. I've not clicked my mouse now. I've not clicked my mouse, but it automatically comes in because I use timing, I use duration. You see, it's coming. I've not touched my mouse now. So you see the thing is coming on its own. So this one you might be making some points, and you know, before you know it, another slide comes in and you'll be forced to be following up, except or otherwise you are able to keep to the timing. Except or otherwise you are able to keep to the timing. If you are not able to keep to the timing, please don't do it. I don't normally put that timing when it comes to slide presentation, whereby I put transition. I always leave it on mouse click, so that when I'm done, if I do my presentation slideshow, when I'm done talking, I'm the one that will regulate it. I'm the one that will click on. So right now, I can click. If I click my mouse, the thing will automatically comes in. So that is what transition is all about. So those are the icons. Remember, we said that if you are learning computer, you have to understand all the icons. You have to understand all the icons and what they stand for. Please, if you are learning Microsoft, PowerPoint, Excel, CorelDRAW, or any other application, what you are actually interested in is the icons and how they function. So that is for the transition. We'll come back and talk about animation.